Hello, friends. It is Thursday, December 17th, and this is your EL lesson for today. So, we're going to be working on revising and editing our Choose Your Own Adventure writing and more. It is lesson 13 of Unit 3, Module 2. Here we go. Here are our learning targets today. I can listen to the writing of my classmates to provide them with respectful and meaningful feedback. I can write, edit, and revise my own Choose Your Own Adventure writing, and I see an error in there. I need to add in a comma to make it more detailed. And I can use adjectives in a sentence in the correct order and properly punctuate dialogue. So look, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to fix my error now. I can write, comma, edit, and revise. There we go. Okay, using those commas in a series. Okay, so let's review ordering adjectives. As a review, when you order adjectives, or when you're writing adjectives and you're using more than one, they have to be written in a specific order. You can use the chart on the left-hand side of the screen to help you know in what order to go. You'll see those arrows, they go from the top to the bottom. We start by ordering with number, then opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So here's an example. We have 3 adjectives here: orange, young, and small, that describe the bug, right? So we need to put those in the correct order. So what I did was I took all 3 of the adjectives and I typed them out. Orange is a color, young is an age, and small is a size. So I know that color is here, age is above it, and size is here. So size should go first, then age, then color. So that makes it the small, young, orange bug. So independently, I want you to practice the buzzing small striped bee and the drooping 3 purple flowers. Pause while you're doing that, and then we'll review the answers. Okay, so to get these answers, I would say on this one, it is the small striped buzzing bee. And then on this one, it's the 3, I guess, drooping purple flowers. But purpose is what they're doing. So maybe it's the 3 purple drooping flowers. I think that's it. Doesn't sound right, but I think it is. All right, now, the next thing we're going to review is dialogue. Here are your rules for dialogue on the right-hand side. These are also in your module workbook. The quotation marks, go around the actual words that the characters say. A comma goes at the end of the speech where the sentence isn't finished. It goes before speech to show speech is coming. The punctuation goes in the quotation marks. Capital letter starts it off. And then every time a new character speaks, it becomes a new paragraph. So look on the left-hand side. Here's an example. This is with the tag at the end. I can't stand homework, grumbled Bob. Notice it starts with a capital and has an exclamation point because he is just not happy about it. Grumbled goes next, and then a period at the end. This is with our tag at the beginning. Bob grumbled, I can't stand homework. Notice we have a comma before the speech. It's our quotation marks go around what was said, and it starts with a capital. Punctuation goes aside. And then on the end, I can't stand homework, grumbled Bob, but I love school. Notice the tag is in the middle. The speech continues, so I have a comma here, and then that's lowercase because I could say, I can't stand homework, but I love school, all in one sentence, right? So that's why that's lowercase and has punctuation here. I want you to practice these. Please be patient, said the teacher, and the teacher asked, did you do your work? Okay, so pause it, complete those in a notebook, and come back to listen to the answers. So it should say, please, a quote, please be patient, comma, quote, said the teacher, period. On the next one, it should say, the teacher asked, comma, quote, did you do your homework, question mark, quote. Okay. All right, now, remember we use dialogue to show what a character is feeling, thinking, or what a character says, or how he or she responds to a situation. So what you're going to do now is you are going to stay in the meet while you complete this Google form. We're going to turn on a timer. You've got about 7 minutes to complete it. There are about 7 or 8 questions, 4 on dialogue and 3 or 4 on, 3 or 4 on dialogue and 4 on ordering adjectives. We will also pull this sheet back up for you to see for when you are ordering adjectives. If you are doing this independently, look at it on your own. Okay, so now that we've done our form, and guys, you have a test tomorrow, and it has questions about ordering adjectives, and it has questions about using dialogue and which one's correct. So really pay attention and do your best on that. All right, lastly, we're going to do some breakout rooms. If you are watching this because you were not in class, you are not going to get to participate. What you are going to need to do is to make sure that you reread your writing, have someone else, have one of your grown-ups or a brother or sister read it if they can, and make sure that your events are in order, your characters are clear, and they use dialogue. It's easy to identify your problem and solution, and then you have really good description and transitions. If we are doing breakout, if you're in class, we're doing this together for about 15 minutes. Once we have done that, we are moving to revising our writing. So take the feedback you got and type your revisions into your writing. I hope you got good feedback to do that. If you didn't get good feedback, do it independently. Make sure that it makes sense, that you have good description, you have good smooth transitions, you have dialogue, you have lots and lots and lots and lots of description, which I said, but do it. It's important. Add in colors, add in sounds, add in all the things. Okay. All right. Lastly, today we are going to talk about sources. So I want you to think about what sources are in writing and what sources we used to help us complete our Choose Your Own Adventure writing. We're going to discuss those in class. If you are not in class, here are your answers. We used Fight to Survive, Animal Behavior, Animal Defenses, The Ostrich Website, and Venom by Marilyn Singer. You are going to copy and paste these below your choice 2 of your Choose Your Own Adventure narrative. And after you copy and paste those, then come back and we will review those learning targets one more time today. I can listen to my classmates to provide them with meaningful feedback, check. I can edit and revise my own writing, check. And I can use adjectives in a sentence in the correct order and properly punctuate dialogue. Okay, I'm going to fix that comma there as well. Okay, now that is it for the day. As a reminder, you have a test tomorrow, so please be on time for EL. Thank you, friends. Bye.